gas station.
Turn right toward Thornton Road.
Heading to Java Jack's for cars and coffee. I got Chris behind me in my old EGA. So we'll hit over on Highway 12. Finally got some POV equipment, so we'll see how it works. I'm actually using the GoPro today. And then I forgot my other stand to do some other B-roll. So I overslept. So we'll see what we can get on this camera setup. I'm not sure if you guys saw on my Instagram, but I bought one of these hats. So we'll slap these bad boy, the GoPro on here, and just walk around and get footage. Never been here before, so this is new. Meeting up with Rusty. He's the one who told me to go. He owns that nice, clean, lowered white XB. And then supposedly Nathaniel's might come and he'll bring his either supercharged XB or his one of his. He has like 2 dope ones. So we'll meet up with those guys. I'm gonna pass this truck. No idea where to go.
On 2nd Street toward B Street, then turn right on B Street.
Oh, I'll go park next to you.
Yeah.
On 2nd Street, River Road toward B Street, then turn right onto 2nd Street.
Park right here, Chris. Jimmy. Shit. I wanted this in high school so bad.
You got the one Jason Jr. had?
Yeah. Gee, 210. I like the 210s. Datsun. Yeah.
I'm trying to look for a Mazda 323 right now.
Good luck, dude.
I know. My mom used to have one, that's fine. And I saw one at Pick and Pull, and I just like, oh fuck, now I want
those 323,
hatchback.
If you get the spoilers, the turbo ones, or no, is it? Which one came turbo? It's a square body.
Yeah, the square body.
Because I know the lip on that one.
Yeah.
Dude, those will go on the Nissan Sentras. They sell for like $100. Just the lip, stock lip, because it fits perfect. These Subaru, jeez. This is like the ultimate hard to work on Subaru.
Oh, is it Subaru?
Yeah, they don't make too many aftermarket, so it's.
What is the Subaru?
SBX, something like that. Yeah, something like that. I seen one of these at the yard. Like the suspension, I guess something is like, even when you lower it, you have chances of messing it up.
What's up, bud?
You gotta do a lot of stuff to get it to where it's at. That's why when people do it, it's tight. It's just tight. Look at the e-brake, yeah. It's tight.
I was like waiting for you guys to show up.
I know there's something going on in Rio Vista too, but I don't know.
And then I think the Fairgrounds has that
Stockton?
hard part. showing.
Today?
Yeah, at 12.
Oh shit, I might have to go there and
I think it's a car show.
I might have to get footage.
I don't know what the entrance fee is though.
Shoot.
I don't know if there isn't, because I think it's the Tamales Festival.
Oh,
And
okay.
they're throwing a show there too.
Okay. That's cool.
And I think tonight there's also
that little back road, I got all nervous driving on. I was like, oh shit, I haven't been on this road
that
for
one
hell
hill that
long.
goes up like that.
Yeah.
I was like, I think I'm gonna scrape up here.
Oh man.
I'm all thinking it's just like a smooth turn. I'm all, oh. I'm gonna have to video. I didn't even videotape that road. I was too much concentrated and turned on the camera.
That way you go to River Road out
And I forgot my fishing pole.
to like Twin Cities and shit.
Oh, that's
That goes to like Lock and shit. Goes to Lock. You go up Thornton.
by the water.
You can go out Thornton that way.
Oh, okay.
And then you'll end up on I-5.
Do that?
Oh, that's cool.
I'm
This is all
debating.
river. This goes all the way to Delta Shores.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Nice scenic route.
Yeah. So you know where you go. Yeah, you're gonna be behind or.
Honda. Blue Goats. Ooh, got the sticky boys on there. Nice. So clean, simple and clean. Wish I fit in a Miata. Oh, oh, oh. Shit goes hella hard. Very sick. Whoa, custom like a T-top. That's tight. Luna.
But they don't make.
Oh shit. Okay. Montana. I need Montana plates for my 240. But they said they're busting down on them, and I'm like, I don't want to get pulled over.
Yeah. I think I took your photo. Back. Yeah.
This is so clean.
Oh really?
He's like, you still got that old Corolla? I'm like, yeah. He's all like, let's put a V8 in that thing. And I'm like,
And it fits so nice, too. He does really good work.
Derek does great work.
And yet you still service it, man. Look at it. It's so serviceable.
That's the motor I
Two overhead cams, right?
We were going to supercharge it, and I was like, man, I'm not trying to die.
Yeah. Got power enough as it is.
Yeah, dude. It's, you know.
You just use a total truck rear end or something?
Oh, we, rear end Saturday.